welcome to another day in my life vlog. I hope everyone's ready. It's gonna be a chaotic day. Yes, this is India1 checking in back with you guys. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If you're not, welcome back, sis. You already know the vibes. A lot of music, a lot of commotion. Very productive, very productive. So let's get right into it.
That's okay. Some love. We in that bed. Give me eggs. On one day. This is days. Close your eyes. Don't shed no tears. Keep it dark. Close the shade. I'm on the bed. You want it late. You fuck me slow. Go through your day. Let's have some beats. Let's have some scenes. Blank, blank. Blank scene. She got the petty sound. With no teeth. She want the tea, she tatted up now. I see you see, I know you see, I know you see us. You know I want that bitch, I wanna eat that heat, I wanna lick it up, I wanna fucking eat, I wanna feed you up, I want them diamonds lit, I want it all on you, I want you all on me. I'm trying to run up on my feet, like a nigga out of sleep, I'm showing down the street.
Hi lovely, so we finally made it. Whatchamacallit, currently in my new apartment. It feels good to have my own place, you know what I mean. Yeah, just gotta unpack, do what I need to do, and I'll catch you guys a little bit later. You already know the vibes. Bing. Hey lovelies, it's late, super late in the day, but I just want to recap from earlier if you guys didn't get it. So this morning I picked up the U-Haul, make sure everything was copacetic, all set, and then I had to fly down and check out my new apartment. If you guys seen by the clip, when I tell you that mirror is bam baby, I hope y'all ready for all these YouTube videos that's coming, baby. It's period. So now I'm back home at my mother's. Just enjoying the time. Mother's Day is coming up, so I really want to spend all the time that I can with my mommy. And yeah, we're about to go out and do something. I don't know. But yeah, I would definitely check in with you guys. I might go to Target because is it really actually a haul? I mean, is it really actually a vlog without a Target run? I don't know. But yeah, that's definitely up in the air because I'm super duper tired. I was up at 4 a.m. and I had to get ready at 5. You already know the vibes. So yeah, oh my goodness, lovelies. How are you guys doing, or how's your day going? Definitely comment down below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and let's get back into it. Mwah. I didn't even show you guys my outfit for today. Like, okay, you see it? Modesty by Indy, period. Definitely go check out the description bar as well, because every link or everything I have on will be down in the description bar down below. Inshallah, everyone be patient with me because these hands always go to work, but with me moving and with me doing everything, I haven't had time to actually really sit down and sew and do everything else. But whatever's available on my website, definitely go check it out. Definitely support. Definitely do what you need to do. Okay, hi lovely. So me and my mom just got back from the animal shelter. You guys just seen from the previous videos. Oh my goodness, those cats are so freaking beautiful. If you guys may not know, my cat just recently died like a week ago. So my mom been feeling sad, so my mom been feeling sad, so we're trying to get a new cat or maybe two. Oh, but yeah, we're going to eat halagas, and after that just relax, enjoy the rest of our day. It is currently what time? Yeah, it's currently 7:30, but you know, daylight saving time, so it's still bright outside. But me and mom is gonna enjoy each other's time. I like I said, I really want to just spend Mother's Day with her, make sure everything is copacetic. And yeah, I truly hope you guys love a day in my life. It was very hectic, it was very chaotic, but it was all worth it, and it's going to be all worth it if you guys stick around long enough to find out, because I'm definitely going to have a lot of content coming soon. Definitely hit that subscribe button, notification, so you get notified every single time I post a new video. I'm just so happy because there's so much coming so soon. But yeah, it was raining. That was the only sucky thing. It was raining, but it's still light outside, so okay baby. But let me go eat some food. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on your notification bar so you see when I post a new video, and see you guys later or in my next one. Mwah. Bye.